Hi, this is Justina, and welcome to Justina's Healthy Ghanaian Meals. I just wanted to do a quick video to thank all of my 38 subscribers and say thank you for watching the videos, liking, commenting, and sharing the channel with your friends. I appreciate all of you. Thank you very much. I also wanted to use this opportunity to encourage all of you. I know there's so many times that you see recipes online and you want to try it, but you are so overwhelmed because you do not know where to get started, where to even get the ingredients. This video was a quick brunch that I made over last weekend, and it's just to show you that trying makes perfect. I am not a pastry chef, but whenever I'm craving a pastry, I try to make it at home. So over the weekend, I was craving a Ghanaian pastry called Buff Roads. And I just recorded it to really encourage you to keep trying recipes that you see online. Don't give up, make it your own, and have fun in the kitchen. Remember, new videos every Saturday. This is just a bonus. Like the videos, comment, and share the channel. Bye bye.